Have you ever been in a conversation where the topic suddenly shifts to money? Someone starts using words like diversification, index funds, or bear markets. They nod at you, expecting you to understand, and you nod back. You smile, but inside, you feel completely lost. It feels like they're speaking a foreign language, the language of wealth that everyone else somehow learned while you weren't there. This quiet frustration is something millions of people feel every day. It's the feeling of being excluded from the most important game in the world simply because you don't know the vocabulary. When financial experts talk on TV or you read about the economy, the jargon can feel like a giant wall. It makes you want to tune out. It makes you want to look away. But that feeling of exclusion does more than make you uncomfortable. It quietly keeps you locked out of your own financial future. Let me tell you about Alex. Alex was incredibly smart, hardworking, and deeply responsible in almost every area of his life. But when it came to money, Alex was paralyzed by fear. To him, the financial world was a maze of confusing charts, intimidating acronyms, and aggressive advice. Whenever financial news came on the television, he changed the channel. When his coworkers discussed their retirement portfolios, he quietly excused himself to go get a cup of coffee. He convinced himself that he just wasn't a numbers person, and that eventually things would just work themselves out. But avoidance always has a price. Because Alex was too intimidated to learn the language of wealth, he left all his hard-earned money in a basic checking account where inflation slowly ate away its value. When he was offered a company retirement match, he didn't sign up because the paperwork asked him to choose between mutual funds and bonds, and the fear of making the wrong choice made him freeze. He missed out on thousands of dollars of free money. He was working exhaustingly long hours, yet he felt entirely powerless. The confusion he refused to face was silently stealing the life he was working so hard to build. But one day, Alex reached his breaking point. He realized that the pain of staying ignorant was finally greater than the fear of learning. He didn't sign up for a complex university course. He didn't hire an expensive advisor. That was it. On Monday, he looked up the word asset. On Tuesday, he looked up liability. On Wednesday, he learned what a stock actually is. At first, it felt small, but week by week, the giant, intimidating wall of financial jargon started breaking down into single, understandable bricks. As the complicated world of money became clearer, a profound shift happened inside Alex. Fear was replaced by confidence. He finally opened that retirement account. He moved his savings into a high-yield account. He stopped walking away from money conversations and started participating in them. He realized that finance isn't magic, it is just a language. And like any language, it can be learned one word at a time. Alex's journey is not just a story about money, it is a story about the fundamental rules of life. Understanding wealth follows the same principles as the law of nature and the law of the universe. Think about a massive oak tree. It does not appear overnight. It grows through little, quiet, consistent daily progress. The universe rewards those who plant the seed of knowledge and nurture it with attention. There is a universal law you must understand. Knowledge creates power, awareness creates opportunity, and ignorance creates vulnerability. When you refuse to learn how money works, you are willingly walking blindfolded into a jungle. But when you begin to learn the language, you suddenly see the paths. You see the traps before you step into them. You see the opportunities that others walk right past. The universe does not reward fear, it rewards the courage to seek understanding. Growth happens not through massive, overwhelming leaps, but through the small, consistent decision to be just a little bit smarter today than you were yesterday.
This is why you must practice honest self-appraisal today. Take a look at your own financial knowledge and take full responsibility for it. No one else is coming to rescue your future. It is entirely up to you. But I want you to approach this not with fear, but with a profoundly positive attitude. Cultivate gratitude for the fact that you live in an age where this information is freely available to you. You must have belief in yourself, and above all, have patience. You are learning a new language, and that takes time. I am giving you a very specific command today. I want you to take action the moment this audio ends. Today, look up one financial term you've heard, but don't fully understand. Write down its simple definition. Make this a daily habit. That is your only task. One word, one definition. Whether it is compound interest, equity, or inflation. Write it down. These tiny daily steps are the building blocks of massive long-term financial intelligence.
I need to leave you with a very serious warning. Financial illiteracy is not just an innocent lack of knowledge, it is a dangerous vulnerability. If you never learn the language of money, you will spend your entire life at the mercy of those who do. You will be vulnerable to bad loans, terrible investments, and manipulative sales pitches. Without this knowledge, you surrender the control of your own destiny, handing the keys of your life over to the very system that benefits from your confusion. But it does not have to be this way. You do not have to be a victim of what you do not know. The wall of financial jargon is an illusion designed to keep you out, but you have the power to tear it down. Knowledge gives you control, it gives you freedom, it gives you the ability to build a fortress around yourself and the people you love. Do not let fear keep you in the dark for one more day. Learn the language, take back your power, speak the language of wealth, and claim the future that belongs to you.
Thank you for listening. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more content to help you build a life of intention and power. And more importantly, go grab that notebook. Your new story starts now.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?